Benefits of the mango. Mango is good everything. It's a lot of vitamin C. This is Laos mango, Laos. Small mango, tiny mango. I love it. I grew up with this mango. I'm going to share with you how to cut this mango and eat. Enjoy. Sour has a lot of fiber, a lot of vitamin C, everything on there. So this is good mango. I'll show you the next step. Okay, so cut mango. Prepare for my breakfast. Let's go start. So skin is very tough. Peel off the skin first. Peel off the skin. This can be breakfast, gonna be dinner. This is my dessert basically. Cut the slice. Go to slice by slice. There you go. This is give you a lot of fiber, a lot of vitamin C. You know, I grew up with mango. Believe me or not, we waiting for mango grow once a year, and then waiting for the grow green and yellow, and take time to eat this mango. It take like basically a year. They grow this 4, 5, 6 months to be ready to eat. It take very long time. When I come to United States, and it's everything just right here. You got a maze. Don't have to wait. When they come in, they pop up just like that in the market. So just eat it because it's so easy and everything here for you. That's why I'm just want to share everybody. How lucky we are here. Yep, we're very lucky to be here. Everything here for us. I'm from Laos, Thailand. I grew up with this, mango, tropical fruit. And first I came like 1980. They don't have anything here. I miss home so much. And then 10, 15 years later, look at this. Everything here. Everything here. That's why I say I'm gonna go ahead, just eat whatever the food available in the market because they're just so good. The more you eat, the more you just love it. I don't really care about ice cream dessert after you eat dinner. I eat fruits. Dessert after my food, I eat fruit or black fruit or dinner. That's what I'm eating. One more mango to cut. In the morning, I don't eat bread. I cannot eat bread. So what I do is just cut the mango. Whatever you have, cut and eat it. Make you have easy to go to bathroom, get easy digest. Whoever have problem, go to the bathroom. Eat this banana, orange, whatever fruit you can. It's helping you to just go clean out. And then you got a new day. When you clean out right, your body feel like it's good, ready to go. I feel good, more energy. Whatever I eat next one, I don't care. But if long as I clean out, then you feel good. That's why this is the key right here. Eat this first in the morning, banana, orange. Orange too, if you feel like to eat orange, just go ahead. Pop up 1 or 2 or whatever you can. Yep, just go ahead, put in a Ziploc. Put a Ziploc bag. When you're ready to eat, everything ready for you. Just prepare. Life is not that hard. If you know how to eat, good stuff. Your body always brand new every day. Now I'm gonna go ahead cut this orange, and when you feel like to eat it, just eat it, because after you eat food, whatever you eat, you know, when you eat orange, they're very refreshing your mouth, you know, refreshing, feeling. That's why I just go ahead, you know, always buy fruit. I don't really care about buy a lot of meat. I do eat meat too, but I don't really care too much. Just the main key, vegetable, fruit is always in the refrigerator. I never miss stuff like that, because I realize when I get older, this is all you need, you know, in your life, and it's so easy. You can eat fat food here and there every once in a while. It's okay. Don't feel guilt. That's all right. No problem. You can eat anything else, but don't forget about this fruit right here. There you go. I have this orange ready to go, and I just go ahead put them together in here. And when you're ready to eat, you know, just eat it. It's easy, and it's not hard to do. It take you only 5 minutes to prepare, and that's it. That's what I got right here. There you have it. Don't forget to eat this. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up for me, please, and I will share with you more and more, because I have so much good food where I come from. I'm gonna show you more. If you follow this, I'm gonna show you more. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Bye.